I want y'all to get fit with me today with a pair of simple dumbbells. You can do this in-house or at the gym. So come on, we're gonna go ahead and do a shoulder workout. Let's go. For this exercise, we are going to be doing dumbbell crisscross punches, and we are going to be doing 4 sets of 12 repetitions. Instead of punching straight out, I want you to go ahead and get into a squat position and pivot on your feet to rotate alternating sides as you punch from left to right. In this exercise, we are going to be doing Dumbbell Arnold Presses, and we are going to do 4 sets of 10 repetitions. We are going to hold 2 dumbbells in front of us at about upper chest level with your palms facing towards your body and your elbows bent. Raise the dumbbells as you rotate your palms of your hands until they are facing forward. Continue lifting the dumbbells until your arms are extended above you in a straight arm position. This exercise is going to be 90-degree dumbbell raises and 4 sets of 10 repetitions. So we're going to go ahead, grab a light dumbbell in each arm, and one is going to come up frontwards, and then at the same time, you're also going to be taking the other dumbbell and raising it in a lateral position, and repeat. In this exercise, we're going to do dumbbell bent over reverse flies, 4 sets of 10 repetitions. We are going to bend over and have a dumbbell in each arm, and they're going to be hanging at our sides, palms facing in. We are going to raise our arms to the sides until your elbow is at shoulder height and your arm is roughly parallel to the floor. Lower down, returning to starting position, and repeat. In this exercise, we are going to be doing dumbbell upright rows into a front raise. We are going to be doing 4 sets of 10 repetitions. We're going to go ahead and take each dumbbell up to our shoulders, bringing them back down and then straight out, not bending our elbows at all, just keeping them straight out in front of us and bringing them back down, and then going ahead and repeating this full motion again. And that's a wrap. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you want to go ahead and work out with me again, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.